My name is Elise Baker. I'm the Sustainability Specialist for MacDermid Alpha Electronics Solutions. One practical action companies can take is thinking about your manufacturing processes and how you can lower your carbon footprint through responsible sourcing of materials and using more sustainable raw materials such as bio-based materials or recyclable materials or recycled materials, and then also sourcing locally to reduce the emissions due to the transportation of your materials to your factories, and considering the energy sources that you're using on site in order to lower your overall carbon emissions for the production of your products. An emerging risk in sustainability is the emergence of AI. A lot of people use AI very heavily, and there are many practical benefits to using AI, but the environmental impacts of AI are very high. There's a lot of water consumption associated with data centers, as well as power consumption associated with the data centers that run AI. And I urge people to consider if the benefits of using AI really outweigh the negative environmental impacts of the use of AI. Organizations can balance cost, resilience, and sustainability by, as I mentioned earlier, sustainable sourcing, and typically sustainable materials and sustainable solutions cost more, but the impact on the environment is great enough that eventually the ROI will be higher than the initial cost. And if you install solar panels on the roof of your building, eventually you will be able to make enough electricity that you can run your operations depending on where you are and the scope of your solar materials. So, considering the ROI of choosing sustainable business practices and how long that ROI will take, and just building resilient and more responsible companies and manufacturing.